Well, hello, and let's look at the first tax problem that we're going to do for this class. The problem is 367. I have printed this out for you and uploaded it on D2L, but you can also get access to this problem right over here. Okay, you can click on Pearson eText. You can click on Chapter 3, and if you want, you can just put the page number. Um, which in this case happens to be 369. So if I were to put that page number right here, okay, let me just do that. And hopefully this is the problem that we're going to work on. Now, what we're going to do in this problem is this problem has two parts. Part 1 is 2011 and part 2 is 2012. So what we have to do is you have to do 2012 looking at 2011. Okay, how do you know if 2011 is given to you? Well, what I have done is I have uploaded the solution for 2011 on QuickBooks. I apologize, on D2L. And then you go step by step. You read this. You can look at the income, and you can look at the next page. Of course, this is a new corporation, so end of tax year for 2011 becomes beginning of tax year. So all these documents for 2012 are going to be right over here, and then you're going to have to finish this particular page. Okay, so that's the second page I'll need the M3 schedule, okay, page 1 and 2 and 3. And then I'll need this reconciliation for deferred tax accounting as well. And then you will submit this to me, the provisional reconciliation, and you will submit this to me when you come to take your exam for the first section. I would like this to be done exactly the way 2011 has been done, okay, but of course bearing in mind some changes. The best way to do this problem is to understand what has been done for 2011 and then do the same for 2012, because I have always believed that the right way to do taxes is actually to look at them and then do it. Okay, you can put down your name at the top over here. You will staple all the schedules together and you will submit it to the Division 4 office at the Skokie campus. I apologize, Division 4 office at the Des Plaines campus or the Resources Center, which I'll give you the exact location for the Skokie campus. So again, Division 4 office, Des Plaines campus, the Resources Facility Center at the Skokie campus, for which I'll give you the address, and you'll put your name at the top and you'll submit this on the day you come to take your exam. Okay, so that's how this is supposed to be done. Again, I hope this will be an enjoyable experience. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the bottom line answer. Okay, what will be my taxable income, and I will give you the total for assets, the total for liabilities and equity as checkpoint. That if you got this answer, you know you are on the right track. Other than that, this is a matter of just following the procedures and doing it. Where can you get the forms? You can get any forms by simply Googling it. If you go right here and you do 11/20/2012, okay, you should get that form over here and you fill it out. Now if you already work for a tax firm and you want to use the software, that is your choice. Okay, all the more power to you. As I had told you on the first day of the class, this is supposed to be a good, enjoyable learning experience. That's the way I look at it, and it should be hopefully a good grade booster for you. So keep that in mind, and hopefully this should be able to help you learn how to do the corporate tax return. Okay, that's all that I have for you. Again, as I said, I'll post these answers as checkpoints, and I wish you all the best with this project. Thank you.